Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to start a lecture on titration. All the moles calculations which are involved in titration based questions we will do in this lecture, and inshallah we will do the question paper from the 2020 past papers. 2020 past paper of my June session, which because of the COVID-19 students couldn't attempt this paper. So today we are going to solve the titration based questions of 2020. The zone of variant is 4-2. So 5070 chemistry paper of 4-2, we will solve the titration based question. Tablets are used to treat iron deficiency in the body. Okay, everybody knows that iron deficiency in the body we use iron tablets. So iron tablets contain iron 2 ions. So this is the point actually, that iron tablet contains iron 2 ions. A student does a series of titrations with aqueous potassium manganate. This is an oxidizing agent. Aqueous potassium manganate. So this is the oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. And the color of KMnO4 is purple. To determine the percentage of iron in the iron tablet, so what we have to calculate the percentage of iron. So we have to calculate percentage of iron by using this process. Okay, diagram of some of the apparatus the student use as shown. Okay, the apparatus which students used are these. So A1 is the, yes, everybody knows, this is the burette. Okay, this one is our burette. Okay, B1 is our measuring cylinder. And C is our pipette. So in the next, these are the apparatuses which are being used. So the next part is B. The student record the total mass of 5 iron tablets. What student have you used? 5. Let me change the color for the iron tablets. Okay. Students used 5, 3, 4, 5 iron tablets, right? What he has done, he has crushed all of this, crushed all the tablets and make the powder of it, right? After crushing, a powder will form. So crushes the tablet, dissolve them in the distilled water and makes the solution up to 250 centimeter cube. So after crushing it, it will be dissolved in the volumetric flask. This is a volumetric flask where the all of this powder will be added and rest of all the distilled water will be added and make the solution till 250 centimeter cube. Again I'm repeating, 5 iron tablet crushes the tablet, dissolve them in the distilled water. Okay, we will dissolve the distilled water and make it until 250 centimeter cube, in which we will make the solution. It will be the volumetric flask, right? Volumetric. My pen is disturbed now. Volumetric flask. Okay. Uses apparatus C to transfer 25.0 centimeter cube of the solution of Fe2 ions. So a student uses apparatus C. Which was the apparatus C? It will be pipette, right? This apparatus is used to transfer. So to transfer 25 centimeter cube in conical flask, pipette is used, right? So after transferring 25.0 in conical flask, this 25.0 will be transferred in the conical flask, right? What happened, again I'm repeating, from this 250 centimeter cube solution, only 25 centimeter cube will be taken through the pipette. This is the apparatus C in the picture given. It will be taken 25.0 centimeter cube will be transferred in the conical flask. So uses apparatus B to add 10.0 centimeter cube of dilute sulfuric acid to the conical flask. So what is B? B is our burette. So burette will be used, right? Burette will be used, uses apparatus B. What is the apparatus B? Is the measuring cylinder. This measuring cylinder will be used, right? To add 10.0 centimeter cube of dilute sulfuric acid to the conical flask. So in the conical flask, this will be added. Fills up apparatus A with 0.00500 mole per decimeter KMnO4. So remember, along with the fills apparatus A, remember iron 2 ion solution is here in this flask. Along with the acid is also added in it. Don't forget the steps which has given here. Number 1, crushes the tablet. 5 tablets are crushes the tablet, dissolve them in the distilled water, make the solution up till 250 centimeter cube. From this 250 centimeter cube, 25 will be transferred in the flask. So in this conical flask or titration flask, 25.0 centimeter cube of iron tablet crushes iron tablet solution is there. So here Fe2 plus solution is there, and we have added 10.0 centimeter cube by measuring cylinder. Sulfuric acid is added in it. So this one is an acidic solution. So don't forget what we have done now. Next step, next point. Fills up the apparatus A. Apparatus A is our burette. So burette is filled with little bit tilted burette. Okay, it's okay. Burette is filled with KMnO4, potassium KMnO4, right? So drop wise we will add it in conical flask. Titrates the solution Fe2 ions with 0.00500 mole per decimeter cube KMnO4 until the first permanent pink color is seen in the conical flask, right? Purplish pink color is of purple pink color of KMnO4 in sulfuric acid. Why it becomes pink? Because Fe2 ions already have pale green color, so purple color of KMnO4 will become pink color. Okay, the equation for the reaction is shown. MnO4 minus plus 5 Fe2 plus 8H plus, it will become manganese. Mn7 in this equation plus 7 is going to convert into Mn2 plus. Okay, what will be happen next? Actually, question is suggest why dilute sulfuric acid is added into the conical flask. Why we are going to use this acid in the conical flask? The reason to use the conical flask is, okay, suggest why dilute sulfuric acid is added to the conical flask. Yes, why? Because it provides hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions are needed, so it provides hydrogen ions. It provides hydrogen ions. So give the formula of the ion responsible for the pink color. Yes, basically the manganate ions. KMnO4 is basically in with KMnO4, this manganate ions gives us the pink color. So the diagram shows part of apparatus A with the liquid levels at the beginning and at the end of the titration. So what are the answers for the initial and final reading of third titration? Yes, first of all we will fill the third titration here. 0.7 is the initial reading and 17.1 for the let me erase it. 17.1 is for this one. So we have to minus these values. 17.2, 16.1. We will minus 17.1 minus, it will become 16.4. Yes, it will become 16.4 minus these two values. What will be the answer? It will become 0.2. Okay, now we have to look on this on these numbers: 7.2, 16.9, 16.4 and 16.7. Which are the closest one, right? uh, Closest one. So the closest one are with zero point 0.2 difference, 16.7 and 16.9. So these are the best titration results which we will tick here. And after completion all these values we will get full 3 marks. And how to get the average value? Right here. Average values will be calculated. 17.2, the best are the 16.9. We will use the best titration, 16.9 plus 16.7. Yes, the answer will be 16.7. We will divide it by 2 to get the average value. So the average one will be, the answer is 16.8 centimeter cube is the answer. So this is the way through which we will fill this table, and after filling this table you will get the average value of it. Okay, good. A second student does another series of titration using the same method, and the concentration of KMnO4 is 0.00500 mole per decimeter cube. A second student does another series of titration using the same method, and the concentration of KMnO4 is given. This student obtains an average volume of 16.9 centimeter cube. Okay, here they have given us a value that is 16.9 centimeter cube. So, okay. The equation for the reaction is shown. Calculate the number of magnet ions. We have basically KMnO4, and KMnO4 in KMnO4 magnet ions are present, so we have to calculate the number of moles of KMnO4. So average volume, if K1 of KMnO4 is given 16.9, the formula to calculate the moles is equal to concentration into volume in decimeter cube. Okay, so the concentration given is, here I will write the concentration. Okay, here I will write the concentration given 0.00500, multiply by volume which we will use is 16.9, divided by 1000, because we have to convert this centimeter cube into decimeter cube. So I will convert 16.9 divided by 1000 to convert it in decimeter cube and multiply with the concentration. So after multiplying this concentration we will get the answer. Let me calculate 0.055. Okay, the answer will be 0.00040. We have to taken the values till 3 significant values, so we can write the answer here. The answer can be like this: 8.45 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Okay, next we have to move towards the calculate the number of moles of Fe2 plus. We know the moles of MnO4, through which we can calculate the moles of Fe2 plus. So in the reaction, if we have to move towards the next compound, then we will use the ratio method. Okay, we will use the ratio method between manganate ions and iron ions, Fe2 plus ions. Okay, 1 mole of manganate ions with 5 moles of iron. If we have 0.000845 moles of manganate ions, how many ions of iron ions will be present over there? So answer will be, if we will multiply it with 0.000845, we will get the answer. It will be 0.000425 moles. So here this is the answer of moles of iron. Okay, next, calculate the total mass of Fe2 ions in the 5 tablets. Yes, first we have to know that we have got the moles in 25.0 centimeter cube of sample. So in 25.0 centimeter cube, we got the moles of iron are 0.000. How many zeros were there? 3. Okay. 4225. Okay. In 25.0 we have got the 0. But if we will look at the previous 5 tablets, with 5 tablets, how much volume we have prepared in the volumetric flask? Yes, with all of these 5 tablets, we have prepared 250 centimeter cube of solution. Total 5 tablets are in 250. But we have calculated in 25.0 centimeter cube. Okay. So first we will check in 25.0 centimeter cube we got the moles of Fe2 plus ions. These are the ions of Fe2 plus. So we got the moles of Fe2 ions are this. If we have 250 centimeter cube, how many moles will be there? So answer for this will be 10 will be less, that will be the, if we will do this, we will get the answer 0.004225. Okay, this is the answer for the in if we will use the method of ratio method. So in 25 to 50 we will use the answer this. Okay, in 250 we have got this answer, right? So this is the solution of 250 centimeter cube of solution with 5 tablets. So we have to calculate the mass of with 5 tablets. So how we will calculate the mass? In order to calculate the mass, we have the formula moles into AR, relative atomic mass. Moles are 0.004225 multiplied by 56 of iron. So the gram which iron was used at the 0.237 gram. So this is the answer through which we have to calculate the mass of iron in 5 tablets. So move on. The total mass of the 5 tablets is 1.83 gram. So in the beginning, if we will consider the total mass of 5 tablet was 1.38 gram, and which we have, but we have calculated 0.237 grams. So we have to calculate the percentage by mass of iron. If we will calculate the percentage by mass of iron, then we will calculate it like this. Let me write 0. Our answer is we have to calculate the percentage by mass of iron, right, is equal to 0.237 grams, which we have calculated, divided by the mass which is given. Remember the value which we will write over this, it will be the smaller one, and we will have to calculate the percentage. We will multiply by it 100. So the answer will be, let me calculate, 0.237 divided by 1.89. Answer will be 12.9%. So this is the end of the lecture. I hope so you have learned very well. Even you have got even a single word from my lecture, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Consistency is the key of success. So don't forget to do hard work and practice the questions, all the answers, all the calculations. So signing off, Ms. Aisha Manzoor.